Now folks, here we have a beautiful pair, a pear-shaped VS quality Canary diamonds. As you can tell, they're pear-shaped, match pair, VS quality. Beautiful, beautiful diamonds. Total carat weight on my scale, 26 points, over a quarter of a carat. High quality diamonds. Much better than you'll find in most jewelry stores. Wholesale replacement cost on these two diamonds right now would be about $600. As I said, one of the reasons why is because they are VS quality. Beautiful diamonds. My price for the pair is going to be $399. Below wholesale cost. $399 for these beautiful VS quality pear-shaped Canary diamonds. I'm Google verified, so you can buy with confidence. And as always, if you have any questions, you can always email me, or you can pick up the phone and give me a call. Thank you all for your business and trust. And if you have any questions, just let me know.